I hope you had a good Halloween. I know he did. And whether you were out trick-or-treating with the kids or passing out candy at home, there's a pretty good chance that this morning, when you walked into the kitchen, you were greeted with a big bowl of leftover candy. And if you're thinking, how the heck am I going to get rid of all of this? Well, we have an idea. The first thing we do is beat some butter with white and brown sugar and a little vanilla. Next, we add a couple of eggs, and once this comes together, we slowly add our flour that we mixed with a little baking soda and salt. Now it's time to grab a handful of those chocolate bars, chop them up, and add them to our batter. Just seeing where this is headed is getting me excited. Okay, now we spoon our batter into a baking dish, and after smoothing it out, we top it with even more candy bars before popping it in the oven. Once this is cooled, we cut it up and serve them with big glasses of milk. And the nice thing is, every time you make these, you can change up the type of candy bar to give it a new personality. To get the recipe for our Halloween candy bars, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly and her new friend in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a crazy good candy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. How's your friend? You not sharing? Doesn't look like you're sharing.